Our Ancient Armoury Crossbows are intriguing takes on medieval weaponry, each crafted from hardwood, steel, and leather for an authentic look. These Italian-made crossbows vary in size and detail, and each has a working pull-style mechanism and can actually fire. The small pistol grip crossbow has a compact shape that's easy to display just about anywhere and fits nicely in the hand thanks to its curved stock. Ornate engravings in brass metal accent its sides. The curved medieval crossbow, slightly larger, has a similarly shaped grip. Its bigger size means more room for engravings and brass metal accents. The medium castle defense crossbow has a straight hardwood stock with scrolling patterns throughout. Each crossbow's bow, stirrup, sight, and back sight is made from burnished steel. The bowstrings are made of hemp and are connected to the ends of the bows with leather. A single, metal-tipped wooden bolt is included with each. As these are firing crossbows, it's advised to exercise caution when handling them. They are not intended for hunting or target shooting. Add to your medieval settings and weapons collections with these high-quality Ancient Armoury crossbows from Medieval Collectibles.